the opportunity to discover new startups all over the world, because we don't have only Canadian startups here. We don't only have startups, by the way. We have companies of all different sizes from all over the world, offering all different products. And I'm also going to attend some conferences. There are a few related to cryptocurrency that's interesting, and also one about the weight of Ukraine today in the war